Why do you forget why you entered the room, like he made an exact copy of his ex? And what does this bottomless pit hide? Let's go. When you enter a room to grab something, but immediately forget what you needed, it's all because of the door. Yes, that's the culprit. Your brain sees the door frame as the start of something new, and to prepare, it clears some of your short-term memory. That's why you forget your intentions immediately. To remedy this, just go back into the hallway and retrace your steps. It will help you remember what you wanted to do and retrieve the information you need. Let's change the topic. He paid a puppeteer to create a precise copy of his ex. Besides being just a doll, he ordered soft layers under the skin for a realistic feel, and her mouth was supposed to open. He even requested actual hair to be sewn into the doll. When it eventually arrived, it looked nothing like her, but he took it anyway, dressed it in her clothes, put it on the couch, and even took it to parties with him. And the last question, he dropped the broken refrigerator into a mysterious pit, and although he expected some sound to return, silence remained unyielding. One neighbor let his dead dog down there, and a few days later, the same dog was seen running in his yard, but other dogs avoided that area.